one sometimes becomes the fortune of another. The community faces the danger of a desecrated throne. Shock stares everyone in the face. Miracle Films comes again with Opportunity. Who the cap fits. Now, the Cold War gets colder. Some plan evil, others are merely opportunists who rebel the cards. Opportunity. Who the cap fits. Starring Fred Amugi, Kofi Ajololo, Jane Brockman-O, Emmanuel France. Guest artist Stefan Elleryman as the missionary. Opportunity. Who the cap fits. Marketed and distributed by Miracle Films, Opera Square, Accra, ADOM, Kumasi, Obwasi, and Takoma. Opportunity. Who the cap fits. Video clubs, stay off. Time for another movie experience. True friendship comes center stage. Miracle Films in another outing with Downfall Power. A mixed grill. Bitter and sweet. He is passionate about his daughter. She's told this jilted lover refuses to give up.
What's up, anime? Huh? Huh? My Bruce went to.
If this boy want to test Simon, me I go lick him down.
The battle line is dry. Downfall Power. Things fall apart. A secret world curve now exploded. A betrayal of friendship. Now they all have to die. Downfall Power. Marketed and distributed by Miracle Films, Opera Square, Accra, and ADOM, Kumasi. Downfall Power. Don't watch this movie if you have betrayed a friend. Video clubs, stay off.
Enyo, we are running away from this village.
Where are we going?
We are going to my cousin in Kumasi. Let's go.
Ozu, if it is for this reason that you ran away, I can't accommodate you here.
Bafu, you must understand.
Ozu, we must treat the family with honor and respect. And if you want to plow the family's rules and traditions, I, Bafu, have no ambition to be part of it.
Please, Bafu. Please, try to understand me.
Understand what? Please, I want to sleep. And I can't leave my gate open. Please, I will beg you to leave. I said leave! Leave! Yeah, Bafu, I'm a fan when you ready. Over baby, Uvisa, you are money to do.
Enyo fa. Enyo Bafi. The next time I see you at that Wusu boy, Torogoma kill you. I'll just kill you. So Enyo, don't be stubborn là, Bafi. I know. If I come in there and meet you there, it will not be good for you, Kron. I know Mama to go Rafira. Okay.
Okay. Magbrona bena na gbojidina devia. Devia vovombe avagbo unke nyajo.
Enya be fi omega ton se. She is becoming very stubborn.
Nyentoma reve unke.
Na funune.
Ah,
talk to her.
Enyo namu. Madaku na dogo na va fofo mo poga osa enyo. Vinya. Enyo namu. Nyentoma reve.
Na jachuru mwamena.
Enyo. Vinya enyo namla. Adora. Enyo. Amono balo.
Muteto.
Amono ba. Afo enyo mele homo. Enyo. Maba vara. Enyo mele homo.
Enyo mele homo. I will kill somebody today, Mama Ugaba. Hey, Maga, Jimmy Topana, Mama Ugaba.
Enyo bu. Enyo bula. Enyo. Mele homo.
Missing Namla. Enyo
Ponke.
Mama Ugaba.
Enyo.
Qu'on ne tombe pas bien.
Madame, on boumi, comme mi va dire.
Qu'on ne tombe pas bien. Vous souvenez, on revient, ma vie. Hey, my jumper.
Yeah, my boy.
He will meet me there.
What are you people doing here? Hurry up and leave this campus. Hey! Hurry up!
MFA. Oh, what's the problem?
Hurry up and leave this place. Meet the cuckoo now. Miapo mojiji. Me Jojo say the cuckoo now.
Adogotania.
Marakure.
Nkoere.
Marakunya nkwenya nyuna.
Yeah, you
My name is Wine, and this is my wife. She's called Emifa. You know, we also had a similar problem. My parents just wouldn't agree just because she happened to be an Ewe. Don't worry. I will do everything I can to make life comfortable for you.
Thank you, Mr. Boy.
You're welcome.
Mr. Boy, may God bless you.
I'm very sorry for my behavior. Anyway, if you think this is the man you love, then you have to stand firm. Don't let anybody discourage you, okay? Huh? I don't know the meaning of all this tribalism, but I have no choice. We need to cope with it. Anyway, I promise to do anything to make you happy. Everything. Okay? Promise.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sister Emifa.
Also, I think we the Ashantis have some wrong impressions about Ewes. Say, Mare Amrania, and coming in some way so good. And you're good and wow. I mean, baby, a boss. Well, my dear, so why don't you take them to the boys' quarters so that at least they can change into something better?
Selassie.
Papa.
Si no road agbawa. Majiboy manya, mi tututa, anyu malabayamu. Should explain where Anyu is now.
Dada. Afu abanka. Abanka. Leka mawe anya. Maya ontonto ede homo. Maya ontonto ede homo. Leka mawe anya. Ehefo.
This a new girl. Tu vas tous au black sheep là, n'y go to domala. On est to vignon. Where is that wusu boy toi?
Papa, I learned he too has run away. His father sacked him.
Run away.
Eh.
Sure. Kokuma has to produce my daughter right now.
That wusu boy has to bring my daughter presently. I am going right to Kokuma's house. Me have my fifi like.
F4 Bobanai.
Munkejo.
F4. My here bena yi Kokuma. What papa ma fifi like.
Jurori.
Banka.
Do you know better than me? Bonnie. Menen manimi gara ko me fia. Man yo gana okron. Ma tengyo. Fafe.
Hey, Kokuma. Na do ni adi sal.
No one the gym. I have nothing to worry about.
What was your source of worry?
Efo, of course. We've also now out of this village. Oh, I have no opportunity to encounter Efo and any person from his tribe again.
Don't say that. Usu is your first son.
Enobua, you want it? Huh? You gonna? Babu Kwakase, Sound Sabako Hawa, Tachene. I am better off without him as a son. She. Now I can sleep in peace. What will you do?
He said he was going to inspect the trap.
Okay. Anyway, prepare my favorite dish for me today. Eh?
We need to yeah, me thank you,
someone can say no. Me can't you say I'm going to my young comedy. Ah, Enobua. Mr. Me can't you say I'm going to my young comedy. Medi kuma pimpi mama ngofo edi bi die Enobua enkuman pon fa ne ho tibiem. Ah. Medi kuma pimpi mama ngofo edi bi die enkuman pon fa ne ho.
Ah, tell everybody. Kaka, the most important thing ever, we have to go to Kokuma's house and tell him our peace of mind with immediate alacrity. That's true.
I didn't want to go to Kokuma's house because when I talk, it's going to be very, very bloody.
That is why I sent for you. All I want him to do is to produce my daughter. You understand?
Yes.
In fact, what he and his family have seen in this family that they don't want to leave us alone, I don't understand. The whole thing is very nonsense for me. And if it is true, that Wusu boy took our daughter away, it will be bloody.
Yeah,
it will be bloody.
Uncle, I want Oda to stay behind.
Stay behind.
Because normally I don't have any patience.
So, yeah.
Because what I'm going to do there is going to be very, very bloody because it's a man's job. That's
Canada,
stay with your mother.
Canada, walk in the I'm going to deal with him. Discipline my work.
Enobua. If so busa efo ya oti wo ise. Anyam bia amofo okuma nyina no. Me hwe mo so na. Na sie ni se so busa ne baba na asefrim ho. Busa na mam.
Obisa mo.
Toga. Si oro kuma gboba. Nyanya, don't want to talk. If I do, it is going to be very, very bloody.
Oh, me amine ho.
Kokuma. Where has your son Wusu gone to? Where has he gone to?
The Wusu crowd they already are there.
Ganyo. I don't want you to ask me such a useless question.
Who is useless? Makenya useless affair. Look, I will deal with you. I will deal with you to be blood you. Look, you know why I have been walking barefooted? Look, I can deal with you. Wait to be blood. Jimmy. I'll be talking for the Afrani now, Jimmy. I never came on. Leave my house. My little house, Alaka. I never came on. I will deal with you. Leave my house. I'm not leaving. Joe, leave my house. Joe, leave my house. Me down. I took my Johnny. Oh, leave my house. Leave my get out. Leave my house. If I get up, I'll deal with you. Leave my house. I'll deal with you. What's that? Look, let me go and get my son and come back. I'll deal with you. Oh, I'm a fool with the other leader. I'm a fool. You're someone now with your pet. Wait, Simba, papa. Você me passa de novo. Você me conta coisa, me sussa, me passa de novo.
I'm not for now, no, man, no. You better try them.
I'll put on. Me go kuma. Omo timi nyam hu. Me ko to kaya chama mamko. Am fa timi nyam hwe. A timi fo astfo be omo timi bibi.
It will come my uncle.
If you accept that you have relatives in the city, then why don't you simply do what EFO is requesting you to do?
You are very, very sensible, I tell you.
Odikru, you mean I should accompany this Amnani to Kumasi and look for his daughter? Yes, sir.
Simple. Yes. Very simple.
Odikru, why judge are watching him? He doesn't watch him more, sir. There's a word to him. Can't them say, Mimi, I saw Amnani way and go Kumasi question about Send Santi Obusano. Say Anyambi and Papa Nico Kumasano, or Baba Kamiana.
Kokuma, don't be too difficult. This is a very simple issue, so we don't need to drag it. If you insist on not going to the city with EFO, that will be wrong.
I want to be wrong.
Odikru. Inti asama woni yedi enti eye. Se EFO ne baswa tu kwanyu swaleo. Ye ne ne nkwane kopel man.
I can see you have taken some money from EFO.
Yapa. Sure. Kokuma, how can you accuse me of taking bread from EFO?
Odikru. Se EFO shem fumwa. And can't them say Mimi no and Kokumase. Question Baba. Send a sound. I miss someone new way a boom Kokumasia. Come if I knew but you want me to say, ha ha ha. Sure. Minimum Sako says someone from Bahau. Second minimum. Say something. A form. Apu. Go not here. And no boy. Must me call. Jum. What the crow? Nigga Kumasi this you. Nigga Kumasi this. Catch a phone say. Uncle Kumasi. Odu Kumasi Kijetia. On for the room say, Con. The Baba or Sheno. I'm going to see you be some Baba. Oh, cheer.
Oh, Kokuma. How can you talk like that to a Dikro?
Like that? A cautious
Oh, how to porno?
Discipline my family.
Discipline my family.
Look, the man can't clear the forest on his face and he goes go to clear me in the bush.
So
listen to him. Listen.
Kokoma. Se wanantu eye kese sen wosira. Na yare wom. Se onima.
Oda. I am traveling like I said to see my sick uncle. Imagine Crow.
Papa, I'm watching a canoe. Gaka, and I'm a blow. Naronkuji.
Oh, Oda, Mazori, your son cannot wait to see the woman he's going to marry.
Lebene, Nyonu Vima, for me, you are the Melcho. Eta me hose bene for folk bona.
Oh, okay. Madam Mojibat. Whatever is possible na pleve. Madam Mojibat.
Vijela Bali. Wow, Maga, don't worry, you see. Leave everything to me. Okay. I hold on, let me show you. Ayo, let me annoy you.
I'll not call you. Yo, Messi.
Next time, I'm going to call her. I go touch it.
Oh, Basia,
will you mind?
I have no problem, but...
But what?
Your father, he's a litigant, you know.
Look, my father has no problem with you. His only problem was with the Ewes. With those no more with us. That is a thing of the past.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Your father, dear, I don't trust him. I even learned he has a problem with Dodikro.
All these have got nothing to do with you. My father's only problem is that he does not kowtow to nonsense. And because of this, everybody calls him a bad man.
Okay, if you say so. Debbie.
Also, I am really impressed. You have not disgraced me. You have made good use of the money I gave you. God has really blessed you.
Mr. Boy, it is true the Lord has blessed me and my family. But you have also been a blessing in my life. And I really appreciate it. Thank you very much.
We don't know what to tell you again. You are everything to us. May God richly bless you.
You're welcome.
Oh, when Jawa Papa, bless you. Panama. It's no one. Lebena lebeni. Ngana me de ke ne kwala siwo. Fifia. De to be very okay va wetia. Wana mo besu no ko. Me ngana me de ke ne ko so kwala siwo. Lebeni. Inyaki amuchuo no ko benga. E tomenyo, e tomenyo. Nka. E va mi akome de bona de nyi ba place no yedo besiba. Awolo.
And I was thinking, why don't you come in and invest in our company since now you don't okay? Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
Megana me de kene blow e plenya kimi. Na me de ba plenya ngala pa down e senyama. Hawa, dadama. Bagato. Bana mau. Na den me na me de ko.
Mama me fa. Majibe mabawo mo kekele mi abo.
Oh, let me come over. Yeah.
vegetables.
From Amenyo? Why?
Give them to me. Give them to me. Never buy anything from her again.
What's the problem? Or do you have any special reason?
Just obey what I've told you. I'm taking them back to her.
Ish.
Look, woman, never sell anything of yours to my wife again. Huh?
Why?
Nepin!
I sell to anybody who comes and buy from me. Or are they not good?
Well, for your information, go, we are money, and I'm so many santini. Me no need Chakabia. Chan want to be a mammy review. So what?
Wait. Come for your money. I can't take your money.
What can some about them? Jama, would you say about them? Sika, what will you do? Zaka, me magic. Maybe a chow fat. Any chance in your fat?
Oh.
Busy came out of the oh, I know damn how I get up.
Where's Zolo?
Oh, yeah. So how was market today?
Oh.
Okay, like I say,
Yolo. For another joy. You must go.
Now, Beshia Bocon, a Beshak on a bankejo.
Buta.
You mean butter from this village?
Buta. His wife came to buy some items. And he returned them and asked me never to sell anything to her again.
You sold the vegetables to Butter's wife. Amenyo, is that what you're telling me? That you sold my vegetables? My vegetables to Butter's wife? Oh. Don't you ever, don't repeat it. This should be the last time we are talking about this thing. Imagine no more. I come here, boy, my father brought you for you to cook for me and to give me children, not to ask me questions. This thing is not for discussion. Find out. None of you are young. My Butter's wife. Yeah, I don't know. Never I don't know. I said, I don't know. Nonsense, Butter's wife.
It will be over my dead body. It will be over my dead body to ever dream of loving you. You, Beleman and Ureki. Study Kabana and Yaji Fiscus.
I don't know one day came Magana. Kai, I win his Zambali chicken cleaning.
Let's catch him back in a
man tired, she not to knock a yell the Don't ever think of that because it is highly impossible. It will be a taboo for my trap to marry from your trap. Ale Kia haram money.
Haram is a kinky.
Mezami the coup. Back at the Lafia hole. Dubashi.
I overheard what both of you were saying. And you are wrong.
Todd and later, one guy Magana the back understand. Donny Princess Ine. I come from a ruling class in my hometown. According to the history in the olden days, our town people who were until then a close alliance betrayed people from our hometown in terms of war. Because of this, our ancestors militated Talbu never to have anything to do with them. Don't you want Magana they bay in your bay in go bay is some haram money.
Haram is a kinky. Director, Sadia's tribe and town people feel too superior. How could you just drag my ancestors to war without explaining issues to them? Ajiminioni. Come mira muideku. Sergeant, Ajiminioni princess. After them.
Let me make one thing clear to both of you. I hope you know my wife and I come from two different tribes. There is a strong hatred from each of our tribe. But upon everything, we still decided to marry. Sometimes we hate each other just because we are afraid of each other. We are afraid of each other just because we don't understand each other. We don't understand each other just because we feel we are always and always right. But when we start to intermarry from any tribe without an exception, all this suspicion will reduce. And listen, don't be part of an event that happened a long time before you were born. That's no good. Get me some news.
Bota.
Minta.
Why did you say that I should not be in good terms with Samenia?
Minta. It is not everything that I can explain to you. Just simply do as I have told you.
Mira, I cannot just do whatever you tell me to do. You have to give me some reasons. At least I must be convinced.
Minta, I said it is not everything that I can explain to you. I am your husband, and you must do whatever I deem right.
Bota, I have now realized you want to make me part of your litigation with the Ewes. But let me tell you, I'm not part of your family. You
are part of it. You are part of it. Courtesy of my marriage to you. Now that you are my wife, every decision my family makes.
Hey! Binds who? Binds who? Huh? Don't make me part of this. Don't make me part of this. That is what I talked to you about before I married you. Won't mean too much for her. Won't mean too much. I never came in Taswo. Huh? Never swat. Stop crying and take her home, She'll be all right. I'm coming soon. Hey. I enjoy the back. Hey. See, I'm going to send them a woman. I want you to come. Let me know bury me. I mean, a bucket equal. Nipper Bewood, a bucket is a nine.
Marry a chill cook, 3 hours young body.
Oh,
Whoa, Dada. I'm in your look to it. Why she wait?
I'm in your Echade. Echilafi.
Cho! I'm in you. I finished said, can't you take up this small girl? At your age, can't you take up this small girl? How did it happen? How did it happen?
Not be Minta, Bote's wife. We would have lost Afi.
What? You mean Bote's wife rescued my daughter?
Yes.
What? Amanyo, are you out of your mind? Are you out of your mind? Huh? How could you allow Boteswa to touch my child? Anya,
do you mean I should have stopped her from rescuing Afi?
Of course, exactly. Phil, that is what I mean. I prefer Afi to die in the river than to allow any member of Kukume's family to touch my daughter.
Lebene, Kwajidi, Magala Fukokumao. Many of you have the Viala Chiaba.
Let me deal with the situation.
Mabena Kwajidi, Numakata Wanele, Susuna Kamalemo.
Aman, you want to respect me? Aman, you want to bumu. I will not sit down for her to do that. No, I am an everyman. I discipline my family. Now, Butoli also Boga, menu. How can I let Anasatima save my daughter? My opinion, if the Ashantis will sit down for the ones to beat them all over the village, not me, not me. She has disgraced me. I don't come. Now the Ashantis will laugh at myself. Oh, what I say. Ashanti man says my daughter. Let me do her. Don't me gonna. Mama, down. Koshia. Kabuli. What's your wife? Hey, wouldn't you say who won't be fear about? What do you want her for? She has gone to farm. Good. Tell her. Warn her, but I want her. Look, next time she wants to save somebody's daughter, not my child. Don't want her to save my daughter again. There are a lot of children in this village you can save. Why do you want to worry me? Why do you want to save my daughter? My daughter, did I send her? If my daughter decides to drown the river, Rokamia. Rokamia. I don't want that, you know. I don't want to kill somebody. So I'll kill one her. Next time I won't take her in. Next time she does that thing, one her, I'll take it very easily. My damage and my destroy my discipline. Cause she take a certain man. Go ask your grandfather, Rojimia. Cause I voa konanara. But in your Pluton, that down. Next time I see her, next time, when they cause she a stupid boy. Konanara. Down, Mama, go talk about your office. This is what I what at all should I tell Minta? So that she can understand me. Woman, when you are poor way, Nipa mu last grade way, but Pemi fear big into my jam. Minta, over my to me. Minta, bra. Haven't I warned you not to have anything doing with Efo and a stupid family?
What have I done wrong?
Don't annoy me! Don't annoy me! You've given that idiot the opportunity to come to my house and talk to me anyhow. Woman, anyway. Finifia be me free. I bet it matem. Say Saintra. Why did you save Lebanese child?
Look at you. Look at you. And what did I do wrong in rescuing her?
There's everything wrong with what you did. There is everything wrong with what you did. Look, since what you want to kwa, what's Antini Efraun Ben? We have nothing in common. Look, this is the last time I'm talking to you on this subject.
I could not allow the child die because of the litigation between your family and their family. That would have been ungodly. Momo come talk on your family.
You go kitty way.
And soon they go.
Minta. Woman swap family. Woman swap and pocket.
I'm growing increasingly mad at Minta.
Adey. Kuvi.
She has started to flirt with Efo. She has started to flirt with Efo's family. How could you go to the extent of saving Lebanese child from being drowned? Nasa kwa siampeni no. Me na nsuo fa me bokiti no. Mani amere. Wanya oba. Waba habedi di matem poto.
Sa? Kuvi. De nyabotre. Mentazima wo kan idie. Maybe she doesn't understand the situation. I will explain it to her. What?
Mate.
Why? Because coconut waba. You. But what do you answer to that?
You.
How did you allow that woman to serve your child?
Ofo. Echinyo de vialam.
Shut up. She don't fear. Don't talk back when I am talking. Aminu, I brought you to this village. You have really disgraced me. Aminu, don't question whatever thing I ask you to do. SME.
Ofo, what is really the problem between you and Openyi Kokume's family? Akelejo.
Aminu, don't behave like my daughter and you who ran away. I cannot explain everything to you. Seven.
For saving my child. But my sister, what is really the problem between Efo's family and Kokume's family?
Sister, only God knows. I can't understand them. Just say, me dream who am in Tiasi.
You crying, Mr. Gomole.
Woman, they say a mom about that and ya 3 months, one change. Then nobody jump to say.
Hey, Nita, what are you doing here? Haven't I warned you never to talk to this woman again?
Butter, don't I have the right to do what I want? I have told you, I don't want to be part of your litigation. Yes, I'm crazy.
Let's go home. Now!
Take ladies, I will come.
Will you comply or not? Will you comply or not? Will you comply or not?
not coming home? Huh? Huh? Now come on, sit down. For now, no one was saying one abwa. A chillium. Much months watch your church. This is your food. Eat. Hey, aren't you eating? Huh? Who near the other? I mean, I would dear the mama show.
Look at my officer. Eh? What a pop for Toyera? Please. I
beg you. It was not intentional.
I beg you. You are fit about a general. Bonjour, I'm trying to Bafia. Enjoy America Bafia.
I beg you.
Look at your intentional. What are you, Jeronam? Well, no more. Eh? Me, what you are Boronam. I beg you. Beg you. Beg you. Huh? Me, are you fit? Jeronam.
Your brother, Lucky.
Bok, we be ado la fia ko go futonera. Eh? E gba go boy.
Hey, young man.
Powerful, is that you?
No. Please beg him for me. Please.
With the cuckoo now say. Sonya bano vienye. The cuckoo now. Sonya brother any.
Beg you, please.
The cuckoo now. No vienye. I mean the cuckoo. Quick come say.
Bavionya.
The cuckoo. But manya.
You may go.
Thank you.
Dark now, mom.
Me dark now say.
Thank you very much. Also, I'm sorry I couldn't assist you when you called on me. I was blinded by tribal sentiment.
Anyway, maybe if you had not treated us that way, we wouldn't have worked very hard to merit what we have now.
Please, forgive me and accept my sincere apology.
Some children start signing a banana. You stars are not like that.
Papa, what is the matter?
Where is your wife?
I don't know where she has gone to. Why? Do you need her to do something for you?
Buta. Nyaoyere kasatre papa. Nyan kasatre pa.
What has she done wrong?
Go and see her with that elder girl. conversing. What did I tell you to tell her? Huh? Papa, that girl has grown horns. I can no longer control her. Sure. When you make Kokuma, when you make Papa. So when you more almost about be free. Sure. I feel no dear Akuma Equanina. As I feel no dear Akuma Equanina dear. One can who say, second tier winnow, a general of France. So what? Menta, I want you to explain to us what you were doing with that girl.
Minta, I have taken pains to explain to you the conditions between the two families. Why do you still want to flirt with them?
Menta, Ade unim kasa. What were you doing with that girl?
Papa, I don't want to be part of this litigation. Please don't drag me into it.
Don't say that, Minta. You are Kofi Buta's wife. You now belong to this family. Our enemies are your enemies. And our loved ones are automatically your loved ones.
Mommy, please, I have no intention to be part of this feud with Afo and his family. Please spare me.
Nonsense. Nonsense. Leave my house immediately.
Kokuma, don't worry. I have already decided to leave your house. Your son here is as useless as you are. Like father, like son. I can't marry him again anyway. Leave my house, leave my house. Is this a house? Nonsense house.
Hey, leave my house. I said leave my house. Hey, go. Hey,
Don't leave my house.
Go. Jimmy. So, huh? Wait, Jimmy. Wait, Jimmy. What up, Mama? I said, wait, Jimmy.
Bobo.
Manu, what are you doing? He's dealing with my enemy. You deviate, you gonna kill her. Oh, you kill her. Uraba, do go family. Leave my house. My woman. Amanu, what are you get one here? Hey, do you know that I brought you to this village? You know that? Now what are you doing? Amanu, maybe I kill man. How long shall we carry on the fighting? How long shall we let the Rabani, Papa. I want Amanu to explain what she has done to us now.
Manufoga, won't you talk? Look, if you know you can't talk or you don't want to talk, it is better we send her back to where it came from.
Takwema, you're alright. You, I am taking you back tomorrow morning.
That's
me, we can no more accommodate you here.
Ofo, I think you don't need to waste your money on transport. I have decided to live on my own.
And if you leave this village or this house, where do you think you're going?
Oh! Don't I have the right to live at wherever I want?
They are not in this village.
Definitely.
No.
True. Mr. Africa. Not in this village. No, not in this village. No, you can't stay in this village.
Definitely.
No, ma. I'm matured enough to make my own decision. No one can decide for me. I'm staying right here in this village. I'm not moving an inch. Why do you want to drag everybody into your litigation with Kokume's family? Not me, Manyo. Majo.
That's it now. So, ADJELEY. When you worry, I could do nonsense. Don't get here. What the song over there so close to?
Papa, all this is your fault.
Papa Nkimo.
You are not showing her body. You training you. You are not showing her that you see my wife here. You see my wife here. When I talk, she keep quiet because she know what I can do. You have disgraced me. You are not a man. You see my wife here?
Jana Mato, Winnie, Kapo. You've fallen perfectly into the trap. Bra. Winnie,
Number 2. I go some girl. Butter. 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 If I open my sack, I talk you. Let me get up. This is your blow. Let me get up. Oh, lie down.
Jamie, me too, sir.
Mama, Nyalila. Butter. If I get you, you'll be miserable. Lie down, wait for my coming. I'm just tired. Butter, I'm all disciplined all day. You just wait for me, let me get up.
God has been good to us.
Oh yeah? Anytime I try to recount how far we've come, I begin to appreciate God the more and more.
We've been successful now. We didn't know what we were coming to do in the city. But look at us now. Look.
Hey, Owusu. So, you have deliberately refused to see me?
No. You always come here just to attack me. Why?
Oh.
You let me give you something. Make yourself comfortable here.
Thank you. So, how are you, Enyo?
I am fine, by the grace of God. What about you?
I'm fine. You people have survived all the pressure. In fact, you have really proven to me what love can do. Love transcends tribal sentiments. Asante.
Yeah, we have to prove people wrong. Especially those who tow strong tribal lines.
I wish you every success that you may need.
Thank you.
Some.
So how is work?
Everything is moving smoothly.
That is my mind. I know. In fact, you've surprised me. That is good.
That's what life is all about. Yes. Enyo.
Yes, my dear.
We have been in the city for over 10 years now. And I think it's about time we visit our parents in the village. I hope by now all pains might have been forgotten.
Do you think these hardened litigants will soften their stance and accept us? No, I don't think so.
I strongly believe so, Enyo. We will go to Mr. Boyhin's house this evening and ask him and his wife to accompany us to the village. What do you think about that?
Well, that won't be a bad idea.
Daddy.
Sifa.
When are you taking me to my grandparents?
Sifa, I'll take you there.
I want to see them.
I will take you there.
I want to see them.
Jifa, Daddy said he's going to take us to the village. Don't worry, eat your food.
Come on, finish up.
Eat your food, we'll go to the village.
Get them water.
Oh, thank you. We are okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Do you come from this village? I have never seen you two before.
No, but we have a message from the city for you.
Me?
Yes.
But I don't know nobody in the city. It is only my daughter who disappeared about 12 years ago. Nobody knows where she is now.
Anyo, nkadim nele la piama.
Anyo, Wusu. Anyo, what do you want here?
Anyo, what do you want here again?
I don't want to see your face. Wusu, get out of it. Leave my compound. Wusu, Mama, leave my compound. Wusu, leave.
Oh, please. Take it easy. Don't send them away. We have come for reconciliation.
Nyada kamelio, miega gbogbomo. Asama, nyada kamelio, miega gbogbomo, la piama.
Don't say that. If your child defecates on your lap, you don't amputate it. Please,
yes, you only clean it.
We are here with your daughter, Enyo, and your granddaughter, Jifa, named after you. Please, Jifa, come and greet your grandparents.
Mama, you can't never done your don't home, Blata. Kotanya Belvoke. Danya Jago Goke.
Nothing, Gofia. Get up from there. Look at his small face like her mother's face. Get up.
I'm on the way too.
So?
My name is Emefa. I'm from Petwe, from Agbamavi family. Suno nyeki, mi de miano noa. Pewi nyeki. Inyade kime jore nyekwa kuli domekpo.
Lady, you've been married for 18 years. And so before you got married, didn't your parents approve of the marriage? So what are you telling me now? Do you come from this village? No. You two, do you come from this village? Do you know what happened before I said they should not get married? I don't like that nonsense. This is my house. Sit down.
Oh, please,
Mama, sit down. Please. Don't come and tell me no nonsense here. Sit down. Or you leave my compound.
Try to forgive and forgive.
Forgive and forgive. Look, don't come and talk any rubbish about. Sit down.
What to me too, young Shungu for fire ration. The Via Boyaba, okay.
No. You want to talk to me too? You are giving me a proverb in three. I don't like that. Look, you must be very careful. Look, Bumara. Are you the one to come and apologize on her behalf? Does she know that she has done anything wrong? Sure. My friend. Did you know that you will come and Dakuku before you went to doing the thing with him without my consent? And get up from here! Get up from here! Try to you to get out. This is my compound. Leave my compound. Get out. Did you know before you want to do the thing with him? Get out of here. Oh, please. Please. Do you know what happened? You say you don't come for this place. Do you know what happened? No, I told her no nonsense in my house. Get out. Get out. Go moi. Sure, fair. Get out. Wusu, leave my compound. Ne manya jimo. Sure. God damn it, non ici. Comme manger. Ah, j'avais un carton dans rien. Dans oui, toi.
I can't question video on my
Ago. Amen.
Yeah, Mama, do what we say.
Yeah.
Papa. I said go. Papa.
Kokuma.
Papa. I said go. Papa.
Kokuma.
I don't want to see your face.
Papa. Kokuma.
Papa. Go. Papa. You bastard. Papa.
Kokuma nyabo tre.
Papa. 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 I said go. Papa. Papa.
Kokuma.
Papa.
Kokuma siabo tre.
Na. Papa cho. Wani bia mefa padi ayo bia. Papa chano. Papa cho. Minyo bia ka uwa mefa na. Papa cho. Papa cho.
We saw why our friend Nana.
She's my daughter.
Please. For whatever misunderstanding that has gone on for all these years, it is only the chief priest who can tell us the truth.
I said go! Papa. Papa.
Hey! Hey!
Hey. Hey.
This is what happened.
Nana, we've decided to take blood covenant to show our commitment for each other.
You don't need blood covenant to show your commitment for each other.
Nana, I have tried in vain to persuade to change her mind, but she is not convinced.
If you want it done, I will do it for you. But there is a price to pay. Should any one of you fail to honor the promise you made to each other, both of you will go mad.
Nana, we don't have any problem with that. Or Doji, do we?
No.
Now, I will need pubic hair from both of you and 2 pieces of gold from your family shrine. Brago.
Yes, Nana.
Birago, you are a very brave woman. How did you manage to get them from the shrine? How did you?
Nana, I'm not called Brago for nothing. If I want something, no matter the consequence, I go for it.
Good. If we give you the opportunity, you can kill a lion. Now give me the hair. I will need your blood. It will be used to seal the bond. Now let me ask you for the last time. Do you people understand what you are asking for? Should one of you decide not to marry, both of you will go mad. Do you agree to that? Huh?
Nana, we agree.
Now, bring your hands, let me take the blood. Yeah.
dreadful one.
I'm a major video. I'm a major video. I'm a major video. Oh no, come for ya. Oh no, come for no chica. Opening you.
Take it. Throw it into a river. And in the course of doing that, hold each other firm.
Bravo. You should stop seeing that boy. Men from that tribe are not good.
Papa, do you have any example to substantiate your point? Hey, Bravo, he is your father. If he says no, it is no. Papa, that is not fair. I'll marry him.
I said no.
Papa, I love Doji. I'll marry him. Hey, mommy. I love Doji. Marry him. Doji, I love you. What is happening?
Dada. Kwale wa dojira. Ebe kwale wa dojira. Le nyonu ta, nyonu e ko bo adeta. Kwale wa dojira. Me tamaw. Jogba. Nyegba shanti so, oblo adikado mi aduma. Me tamaw. Afisi afike mi kpome lole. Adikado mi aduma. Chofifia fasere mafo. Chofifia fasere mafo. Anya gboma no lesia. Enya me gbona lesia. Me ba nya me gbona lesia.
Dada no wa here. Dada, what have you done to our daughter? What have you done to our daughter? What have you done to our daughter? Enkejo. Abonina ma ye no na mo ba no wanya so aketua.
Oh, you are Babu. I told you, our daughter is paying for her action. Hey, Dada, what have you done wrong? For refusing our daughter to marry your son? Is it a crime? Is it a crime? Hey, only Bangunani. What is up here? What is Banitimu da? Agwanagwa, Namudi Ajim Bano.
Mumba Jaham come before some will be a matami. Mumba Jaham come before some be a matami.
Nana Kanswa and Waranguni da.
Open. I was right. Because I did not allow our daughter to marry your son. You go ahead and kill her. Kill her! Kill her! Hey! Kill her! Musante fomu fisa mu wa dwinti obia. Na aya me banu jimi. Na fa o banu fa ko mabe ma fofa wale. Esa sato mi kogela. Anya. Choo! Davi, let me tell you, none of our descendants will be allowed to marry from your wicked, callous and inferior tribe. Me probi mana wa ba anwunani anwunato ya nuwa ne say na mbe mo check mo it will never happen. It will never happen.
Ndese mafia nazo bede mu bede
abanyela
mu bede
angafo mo
do o bravo bada ama uto follow me on fira me be follow me
wo bede wo
fira follow me fira kwa papa dala mo fere ntufa
abanyela so let's go ato ya bala let's go
yakamo amba bada yakamo ajo follow me fira
mbadidi mede kuko jo
mbefa
bami efo mi anyo
agafaka agafaka
mede kukula.
That is the whole truth.
These are the 2 pieces of gold. These are the 2 pieces of gold that Barago brought. Take them. Take them. Take them. Take them. Now, you must all live in peace. Huh?
My daughter.
Papa.
I am very sorry. I never knew this. Oh.
Papa.
Baba Sia.
Yo.
Vinho. Baba yo. Baba Sia.
Osu. Osu. Please forgive me.
I've forgiven you, Papa.
And take me as your father.
Kokuma, Efo. Found that no man. Kokuma, Efo. Kokuma, Efo. Mo wa dana kosia. Papi bien to change ya.